Here's problem 1 from the 2014 AMC 8. Harry and Terry are each told to calculate 8 minus, open parenthesis, 2 plus 5, close parenthesis. Harry gets the correct answer. Terry ignores the parentheses and calculates 8 minus 2 plus 5. If Harry's answer is H and Terry's answer is T, what is H minus T? The choices are A. -10, B. -6, C. 0, D. 6, E. 10. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, let's do Harry's calculation. The correct one. We always work inside the parentheses first. 8 minus. The quantity 2 plus 5 is 8 minus 7, which equals 1. So Harry's answer, H, is 1. Now Terry ignores the parentheses and just works left to right. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 6 plus 5 is 11. So Terry's answer, T, is 11. Finally, we find H minus T, that's 1 minus 11, which equals -10. So the answer is -10, which is choice A.